Well, hello everyone. What we're going to be looking at today is I had a couple people email me on how to do the cow catcher. So I'm going to go through those steps on how to do it. Hopefully that alleviates. And if you ever want to see something, I'm still working. I can make the videos. It's not, doesn't take me too long. I'm just going to leave it open-ended right now. I am putting together the assembly ones, so you're going to have to give me a couple more days because there's a lot of little steps and I want to make sure I do them slow enough. So let's start off with the cow catcher. So first, again, sketch. I'm going to paste because I did these in another one. So you can, I'll leave these up for a second. And I'm just going to put it there. So you can see I went from the middle, 0.9, 0.9, or that'd be 1.8. Over here is 0.25. And then from there to there is 1. Okay? So then I finish it, and that's what I have. The next thing I have to do is I have to move a plane. I go up here and click plane. And of course, what plane am I going to move? I'm going to move that one. And I believe 0.75. Please double check all these. I'm pretty sure I'm right, but just to make sure. So you can see now I have a separate plane there. I'm going to go over here. This is one that I've done. Done like 4 of them now, so it's just a little easy, a little quicker. You don't have to watch me do it. So now I'm going to sketch here. And I'm just pasting it. Of course, you'll have to draw them out, which isn't very hard. And I'll go through those dimensions here in a second. You can see here, 0.6, 0.6, so 1.2 all the way across, 0.25 down. It's going to be exactly the same as that. And then 0.75. And where it's positioned, there you go. Now, however you want to position that. So for example, how I did it there, whoops, make sure I'm on the right plane again here, is where does this go? How does the cow catcher work? So you line that up. And I'm going to make mine even. I believe that's how they have it on there, if I remember right. And there we go. Now, once I get that, oops, that's my phone, I'm just going to click finish. Now, you can see here we have 2 planes separate. We're going to use this feature here. I saw people do this a lot of different ways, but this works really well. We're just going to use the loft feature. And if you click that, and where do you want to loft it, is that one. And there it is. Okay, and then I'm going to finish it. Now I saw someone take it and build it out of a chunk of block and then eliminate everyone away. Trust me, this is easier. If you go right away, once you're done with it, and you look at it, is the first thing I would do is go right here to shell, and just click it, and then it's shelled out, and that's part of what you have to do. Once you shell it, there you go, you're finished. Okay, now comes each part here. So I'm going to sketch on here. Now I'm going to rough draw this. Actually, I will pull it from the other one that I did. Sorry. And I just make sure I get the right dimension so I can see what I'm doing here. Now you can correct these. And what I did before is I'll show you 2 ways you can do it. There are moves. If you want to see my dimensions, I'll do them up quick here. And I'll show you how I came to be. So those are the dimensions. Do they have to be exactly like that? No. They just have to be on that part of it. Okay? So once you know that, you can do that. We're going to sketch one on this side. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to click offset. And if you click offset, you don't have to do what I just did. You can just there and it just click on the outside. So I'll show you that again. So as I'm drawing here, there it is on that sketch. I go right here. Oops, I click on there, right here, and offset. And what do I want to pick? Is I want to offset that feature, and you can see it draws it larger, or for my sake, smaller. Now these aren't going to be exactly the same. I just want to show you how I do that. So there's those. Now I'm going to extrude them. I might try to do both same time. Sometimes you see it runs into a weird thing like that. So let's eliminate that one for now. Okay, so I have that one. I'm going to click remove. 0.05 I think will get me there. Oops. And that one looks good. Did it go all the way through? Nope. Good. And this one, remove. 0.05. Sometimes you might have to change the second one a little bit, but this one looks like it works. And there's that. So there's my two parts right there. Of course, on the back are just your 3 holes that you're going to draw. I'm not going to show you how to do that. I think everyone knows how. So there is your cow catcher. Alright, if there's anything else you guys need, please let me know. Have a good night.